Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to solve the third question in exercise 1.1. So the question is, find the LCM and HCF of the following pair of integers by applying prime factorization method. So they have given C subdivision. So let's start with the first one. In this case, the numbers are 12, 15 and 21. So let's do the prime factorization for 12. So in this case, 12 when I divide by 2, I get to have a 6. Divide again by 2, 3. So divide again by 3, 1. Now let's divide 15. 15 divided by 3 gives a 5. Divide by 5, you get 1. Now for 21, you divide by 3, you get 7. So this is a prime number. Divide again, you get 1. For the HCF, these are nothing but the common factors in all these numbers. So let us pick all the numbers that are common here to all the three of them. So I see 3 here, 3 here and 3 here. There are no other numbers that are common to this. So the HCF is equal to 3. Now you need to calculate the LCM. So I have taken down the HCF. So I'm marking that. I'm going to write all the other numbers that are left over here. So 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So I need to find the product of these two. So 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10 and this is 7. So essentially 6 into 10 into 7, which is 420. So the LCM of these three numbers is 420 and the HCF is 3. Now let's try the second subdivision. 17, 23 and 29. 17, 23 and 29. Each of these numbers are prime numbers, so they will have no common factors among them. So the HCF is simply equal to 1. Now for the LCM, if these numbers are co-prime, meaning they don't have any common factors, the LCM is nothing but the product of the individual numbers. So it is 17 into 23 into 29. 17 into 23 is 391. Again multiplied with 29, you get 11339. So the LCM is 11339 and the HCF is 1. Now let us look at the third case. The numbers are 8, 9 and 25. 8, 9 and 25. So in case let's factorize 8. 8 can be divided with 2. So 4 times 2, 2 times 2, 1. 9 I'm going to divide with 3. 3 times 3 again 1. 25 if I factorize it is 5. 5s are so 5 again 1. You see that among 8, 9 and 25 there are no common factors. So the HCF of these numbers is equal to 1. So we know that if HCF of these numbers are 1, then we know the LCM is going to be the product of the three numbers. So it is 8 into 9 into 25. 8 into 25 is 200. 200 into 9, it is going to be equal to 1800. So the product of the three numbers is the LCM. So that is 1800. The HCF is 1. In the next video, we will solve the fourth question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.